Shooting, we're in a fight. I got you, bro. Ooh, I suck with the sniper. This has totally got to be a bot, though.
That's a bot.
Wow, I'm terrible with this sniper. There we go, you gotta lead him.
It's a trap, don't go.
Oh, you're right. Oh my god, so close. Rocket coming in.
Oh, they're getting third party.
Good. Ooh. That boombo coming from? Ooh. Gliding out of the air.
$157 knock.
Really?
Right there. Martinez, you need a heavy sniper.
Hold on. I launch padded. Footsteps above me. I don't know. The gliders. .375 knock. Oh my god, I just quick scoped this guy. That is such a great clip. He just dropped down though. Oh, I got the kill. Ooh, who's down? Oh shit. That's not good. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I fell down the hill. Mistakes were made. Ooh, the boombo just got me. Ooh. Second place.
Second.
Uh-oh. There are a lot of footsteps here, Falcon. Knocked one.
Martinez,
Where they at?
over here, over here, over here. There's a knocked one.
He had the heavy, Falcon.
Over here. Pick up.
Oh, the storm. How interesting. Just running. Just running, running, running.
No launch pad?
No, no launch pad, but we're pretty close. I got 3 med kits if we can all just make it out. Make it out and alive. Good. I'm gonna start dropping.
I left the bandage bazooka for a heavy.
Oh. Okay, thank you, bot.
Sport water is the only sport water with an alkaline pH 9+ and proprietary electrolyte formula.
Oh, come on.
Those who want better.
There's enemy right here. Dang. Should have double sniped for that. Do we have double heavies?
Yes.
375 knock. 2 more on the hill. They're going for the res. Back behind you, I think. Not sure where they're at. Watch your left side, though. $375 knock. Oh, they're exploding. They're exploding. Got a kill. $30, $70, $100. Oh, I got sniped. I got headshotted. It was from the east. He's coming in. He's coming in hot. He's behind us. Oh no, there's more people coming in.
Knock it off, you two.
Fancy with those edits. Oh no. Four. Is it 4v4? 3, 2. Damn. Already had both of us. There's a bunch of shield and stuff on my body. Bunch of shield medkits all over my body. Heavy sniper on my body. All the loot should be next to you. Ammo, mats.
I got
Justin, nasty killer. I got mad mats below you. You're almost out. Pick up the heavy, not the silent. Oh my god. What a snipe. See? They did carry us.